I'm you from the future.
Yo guys, what's up?
What's up, guys?
We
Today
are.
we're
How old will I be in the
new
future?
map.
We
Let's
are
start.
going to beat the new map again.
In the future.
We're gonna beat the new map. And try not to fail like last time.
4.
That
is not correct. What's up, guys?
And there's a 4-year-old in our
Whenever
lobby.
you're 8,
Everyone get gear, get gear.
Yeah. Oh,
Okay, guys. Enter.
give me that.
Get one. Get
Enter a stick.
one.
Enter a stick.
Enter a stick.
Oh, you're my friend. You're my friend, Duck. You're my friend.
Enter anything. Okay.
Oh, yeah. I don't have
Let's do
any.
the one.
Don't should have gone.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Okay.
To the vent. The vent is in my room.
Yo, Red, I think your camera. Yo, but Red, your camera's following me.
Then let's go.
Yep.
To
No,
the
it's
new
following
vent.
me.
What's up, guys? Today.
Then why do I see it right in front of my face? There.
New vent, man.
You following me.
Guys, I'm bringing.
There.
Why is he following
Hold
you
it in
guys?
there.
Hold on, okay? Let me get the weapon.
Guys, you ready? Wait, does anyone need anything?
Wait. How did you get that camera?
Oh my god, we have so much people here. Everyone say hi to the camera.
Discord.
Yeah, bro,
You get it
how
from
do
the
we get
Discord.
that What's up, guys? Today we're gonna spawn a new vet map.
Okay, guys, you ready to beat
Let's
this
go,
game?
guys. Let's go, guys.
Wait.
Let's
get
you
started.
bring up
I have a question.
Yeah, bro, do you know how to get that camera?
I need more
Does
gear.
anyone know how to get that camera? I do.
Shut
I have to
up,
have
Reddit.
an iPhone. You have to have an iPhone.
Yeah, well, can you help me
get that camera? In the Discord, I
Let's
think.
go, guys. Let's go. Guys, we're gonna go unplug the eye, right? We're gonna go unplug it.
Yeah, we are. Okay, guys. Swim.
Oh my god! Ah!
I'm there.
So guys, I know this is just a me thing. I do videos in public lobbies.
Yeah, bro, me too. How are you?
So like,
Yeah, bro.
so
bro, how do we actually get that camera? Yeah.
bam! What am I pinata back
The
up?
booger ball. It's a booger ball. That's the wrong way.
Where did my pinata back go?
Guys, a booger. Get out of my plane.
You passed the vent. I can't give you revolvers. Oh, there you are.
Back
Oh,
up.
guys, wait for me. I have revolvers for you guys.
You know what? I'm
guys,
ready
wait
for
for him.
goddamn team. Give me one.
Guys, I know where the X is! I know where the
Give me a
X
revolver.
is!
I brought
Give me a
for
revolver.
everyone.
Give me a revolver.
No, you don't have hoop slots.
Can somebody tell me what all you got? Because I made it already.
Guys, everybody, go to vent access.
Well, I made it. Can somebody tell me, please?
Everyone this way, guys! This way.
Wait, I'm in here all along. I'm sitting for 5 minutes.
Alright, guys,
I've been sitting here for 5 minutes.
No, we lost someone! I think we lost someone!
Well, I've been sitting here for 5 minutes.
Guys, we made... This is the...
Oh my god, I almost just died. Hey, I almost just died.
Oh, I got
You didn't lose
Guys,
someone.
this is Coda, guys!
Coda. Kill Coda.
No problem.
Run.
Run, guys!
Run.
Run!
Guys, I can kill him. I can kill him, guys.
You can.
Guys, I can kill Coda.
Alright, guys, this is the furthest we've gotten.
Wait.
Oh my god! Yo, did you see that? Did you see that girl attack?
No, we need to go that way. We need to go that way. Go. Anybody help?
Someone died.
Please!
Bro, behind you! Behind you!
Somebody help!
How do I get down here safe? Get him! Get him!
Somebody help!
Get him! I need to save you, everyone. I'll save you in my hand first. Be careful, okay? Cool. Alright, up here now. I made it. Careful. We can't do it. We can't do it. We can't do it. He will just keep on dying. You'll keep on dying.
I've been looking for you, okay,
Where's my
guys?
dead body? Where's my dead body? Bring it to his dead body.
I see it.
I know.
My body's right there. Guys, revive.
Guys, everyone. Guys, I got you.
Pick me up, then you should see where my body is. There should be like raindrops.
Oh, good. I gotta run. I'm sorry. Oh my.
I made it. Come on. I made it. Let's go. I made it.
We had to leave some people behind. We had to leave. Oh my god, that was so sad. But
Yeah.
we had to do this for the cause. Sacrifices will have to be made. Find the eye. We gotta unplug it.
Over
That's
here.
what-
Over here. He made it. He made it.
Wait, guys, did everyone make? No, the Mario made it. Report. What? Come on. We did it, guys! We did it!
Animal company.
Well, guys, let's go back!
Go back to the old map.
Should we go back?
No.
Yo, guys,
What's this
where's the
place?
old map?
What's this place? What's this
Yo,
place?
bro, we made it back. This is the OG place.
Oh, geez.
This is the OG map.
I don't want to go back.
Cool things have to come to an end always.
Okay. Yippee!
Yo,
No.
duck. My YouTube channel is based off of ducks.
What's it called?
The duck bros.
Wait, you want to see something? I'm gonna go.
Nope.
Let's
I'm
go.
gonna make it. Go there!
I'll set your YouTube channel up.
Well, all things have to come to an end. Well, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. And we did it. We unplugged the eye. So, Miles, if you're watching, it's true.